Key fobs for Nissan Rogue vehicles control locking, unlocking, panic alarms, and sometimes remote start. Resetting, relearning, or resyncing is needed when the fob becomes unresponsive after battery replacement in the fob or vehicle, or due to electronic issues. These processes ensure the fob communicates correctly with the vehicle's computer. There are three core processes. First, reset clears the fob's memory and vehicle pairing, often by reinserting the battery. Second, Relearn Resync teaches the vehicle's ECU, engine control unit, to recognize the fob again, typically via ignition cycling or a smartphone app. Third, Sync ensures the fob communicates with the vehicle's receiver module. Always start by replacing the fob battery, CR23-2 type, and ensuring no metal objects are blocking the fob's signal. If problems persist, proceed with resetting, relearning. The method for resyncing your Nissan Rogue key fob varies by model year. For 2017-2022 Rogues, use the ignition cycling method. For 2023 and newer Rogues, use the app-based sync method. If these steps fail, visit a Nissan dealership or certified mechanic, as some procedures require OEM tools. Follow instructions precisely to avoid issues.